Black Ops 6 jet gun, let's do it quickly. So, where you spawn, you'll immediately have a motel in front of you, and upstairs, the second door should explode open with zombies inside of it when you go near it. You'll need to do this to activate the first part of the jet gun crafting, which you'll see the crafting table for just inside of this room. From this room, you'll then need to head across and collect 3 items in no particular order. For me, I bought this gate, then further on this gate, which allowed me access to the flower shop. At the flower shop, you'll find a tap just in front of it, and you'll need to grab the handle off the top using your interact key. There's no prompt. Then take this key all the way across. The quickest way is through the bank to the bowling area. Inside of the bowling area, you'll be able to hit the panel on the side, put the sprinkler's handle there, and you're able to start cranking it. This is going to take a lot of time, so if you're doing this solo, have decoys or monkey bombs with you. Otherwise, have your friends protect you. Eventually, when you're done cranking this thing for ages, it'll drop you an item on the floor, the water pressure gauge, and with this, we can head across to get the next item, which will be a handbrake. So, unlock your way up to the church. I went up these stairs, and in the graveyard just next to the church, you'll need to hang around in this sort of middle area until the groundskeeper spawns. When you kill this special zombie wearing different clothing, he'll drop you the Toolshed key. Take this east of you, through this gate, down this little passageway to the toolshed at the back. Open the door, and to your right on the table, you'll find a handbrake. Then the third and final item are wires, for which you'll find all the way on the far east side of the map, just opposite the comic shop at the radio house. In order to get through this gate, you'll need either a mangler to shoot it for you by baiting them at round 11. Otherwise, you can head to the crafting table just behind the building on the opposite side of the road, and the 6th item on the first tab will be the mangler cannon. You can craft this for 1250 scrap, then hit 3 to activate it and blow your own way through the door. Then inside you'll see a bunch of scrap piles on the ground. Hit interact on each of them until you find the wires. Grab the wires and head all the way back to the motel from the start of the game. Inside of this room, you'll be able to craft yourself the jet cannon, and that's it. With this, you can do a bunch of Easter eggs and progress the main storyline. So, you'll find them all linked below, otherwise a full guide as well. Thank you for watching, my sweet Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.